All right, and we're back. Today's video, I believe we're going to mount the garage door opener that I picked up. Simple programming, took 2 minutes to program it to my garage door. And what I'm going to be using is 3M dual lock. This is what they give you for like your Easy Pass when you have it. So this is a simple, shouldn't take long video to do what I want to do. I want to mount it in the left side saddlebag in the lid so that I don't have to worry about it getting wet. So I believe it'll mount, let's see, I think right here, if we can give you a shot, like straight there, I think will work. I don't want to put it, or up in the lid here. I just want some place where I can grab it easy to push the button. I'm kind of thinking right here, because when you're sitting on the bike, you can see down inside that easy, where if it's up here, it'll be, it'll all be done by feel. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to sit on the bike here, and we're going to see. Let me extend the legs on my tripod here, so this way we're not, while I sit on the bike, and we'll see what we got. So put it right there like that. Sit on the bike, and we're going to see from here what we got. So if I have it, we're up. I don't know if that's the right angle for you. Let me re-angle it here, because I'm going to stand the bike up, and we'll show you what we got. What I'm thinking is with the thread lock, if I put it here, I can just reach in here, I can feel the button. So, and then closing it is easy, obviously one-handed, and there you go. So this is what I'm leaning towards doing. Again, I think right here would be perfect. That way it's up top, it's out of the way. So, if you want to carry luggage, you can put luggage in there and it's not going to interfere with anything. So this is what I'm leaning towards. So, and like I said, the button's easy enough to get to. And we'll go from there and we'll see how it works out. If it doesn't work out, I can always move it. So, first thing we're going to do is, let me get my, we'll get a paper towel. And then what I have is an alcohol water mix. So, I don't know if you can see that. It's alcohol and water mixed. So basically it's 50-50, and then you wipe down what you want to stick your 3M tape to with a little bit of alcohol water mix. So we're going to wipe the inside of the bag here, which is approximately where I want it. And then once that dries, the 3M tape will adhere. So we'll get the back wiped here. That way there's no oily fingerprints or anything like that on it. So it should stick and stay is what we're after. We want it to stay where we put it, obviously, because you don't want to be fishing around for it. I mean, if that's the case, then I could just continue carrying one in my pocket, which I don't want to do. I get tired of carrying crap around. That's why I mounted the one that I mounted on my Street Glide, but that one's like $100 for that one. So I don't want to go that route with this, because there's really no room under the side covers to do what we got to do. So let me zoom in a little bit, if I can get it to work here. Really? Let's try again. Give me a little more zoom, please. Come on. I don't notice. There we go. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount it right here. And then, like I said, I can reach down, hit it with my hand without a problem, and shut the bag. So, all right, so the back of the remote, and this makes it nice too, because when it comes time to change the battery, it's simple. So what we'll do is take the backing paper off of this. Easier said than done. If you guys have worked with 3M tape before, you know what a pain in the backside it can be. All right, so we'll peel that off. This is my last pieces of this, so I just ordered another roll. So what we're going to do is I'm going to try to put it like right here in the middle. like this. So that way that can go there. Well, that's sitting, like I said, I think right here is going to be perfect for it. Again, this way it's up out of the way. Actually, I might go a little bit higher, right about here, someplace where it's going to sit flat. So we'll try that and see if it doesn't work. Then when the new dual lock comes in, I'll move the dang thing. Simple enough. Nothing to it. So, all right. So this, I think we'll put right about here, like so. I don't think it's not going to interfere with anything. Yep, I mean, that's perfect. To me, that's perfect. And there goes the door. Hit the button, hit it again to stop it, take it back up. And this is simple and easy. Doesn't cost a lot of money, you know, if you have a power garage door. So, let's see. You should be able to see where it's at. Come up a little more, get an angle on it. So you can see where we got it. It's right there, all right? And then we're gonna do this. Take this up a little bit. And now I'll test it while I'm sitting on the bike and see where I'm at. Because I always keep my left bag locked. The left side is where I generally keep my mini air compressor, tire plug kit. I keep a first aid kit always with me, so you know, something happens, somebody gets cut or something, I always have something with me. I keep a clear shield because I have the drop down tinted visors, so I like to keep a clear quick change shield in the bag too, and that's what I have in my Street Glide, and that's what I'm going to keep in this. All right, so let's see what we got here. So we do this, pop that, that'll go down, and then we just reach over, and there it is. And then close it like that, everything's one-handed. So that works perfect. I think that's a perfect spot for it. So again, if it looks like I'm gonna have to change it, we'll change it. But I think that's perfect, really. Again, simple to get to, simple to operate. It's right there. And then, you know, we'll see how it works. Again, it was $12.64 with tax is what it ended up being. So, alrighty, thank you for watching, as you always. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Make a comment if this helps you. Again, this helps me with YouTube's analytics, and I'll see you in the next video.